Harley Davidson Pan America 1250 Best Motorcycles. With major shows and public launches cancelled last year due to the pandemic, motorcycle manufacturers had even more time to design, improve and manufacture the best new motorcycles in 2022. And after the long lockout periods around the world, your thirst for freedom and adventure will be greater than ever. What better way to celebrate the excitement of life than with a new motorcycle? Of course, there are many things to consider before investing in one of the brand new high-end 2022 motorcycles. That's why we made this list to help you decide what the best motorcycle is for you in 2022. But let's dive first into the reasons why 2022 is the perfect year to buy one of these top 10 best motorcycles. More power, the need for speed, and with its smooth and efficient acceleration, is a common reason to invest in a more powerful new motorcycle. 2022's latest and greatest motorcycles have sturdy horsepower, impressive torque specifications and larger top-speed engines, regardless of the type of road you ride. Improved design. Let's be honest, style is an important factor when it comes to choosing the best motorcycle. Whether you prefer a sturdy, torque adventure bike or are more of a sports cyclist, and whether you were on the track for a while or just getting started, 2022 has some sleek new designs in store for you. New technology. Aside from increased top speeds and engine displacement, the best motorcycles of 2022 are also equipped with high-end electronic systems, rider assistance and advanced safety features that cannot be overstated when considering the sheer brute force of today's most spectacular two-wheelers. Made higher, the improved technological features of the new 2022 motorcycles not only improve your safety when riding and racing, but are also designed for more comfort and convenience. With radars, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity and more, the latest features are guaranteed to give you the most relaxed and comfortable driving experience possible. More economic. Over the past decade, riders as well as non-riders have become more environmentally conscious and manufacturers are coming to the question. With improved engines, fuel efficiency is at an all-time high while emissions are reaching a new low and electric motorcycles are up and coming. In the long run, purchasing one of the top 10 motorcycles in 2022 could be a relief for the environment and your wallet. What are the best motorcycles? Now that you are up to date on the improvements, types and criteria for the best motorcycle of the year, it is time to choose your new motorcycle. Let us present the best motorcycles to you without further ado. Harley Davidson Pan America 1250 Style. Adventure bike. Engine type: liquid-cooled, transverse 60-degree V-twin, DOHC, 4 VPC. Displacement: 1252 cc. Bore X-stroke: 105.0 mm by 72.0 mm. Max horsepower: 150 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute. Max torque: 94 pound-feet at 6,750 revolutions per minute. Weight: 559 pounds, 254 kilograms. MSRP: $19,999. A long time in the works, the highly anticipated Pan America is the first adventure touring bike by American motorcycle giant Harley Davidson. Combining the traditional comfort of HD bikes with a power and torque sure to beat your average lightweight adventure bike, the Pan America opens up a whole new world to ADV riders. Closure. 2022 is an exciting year for new motorcycles, of innovative designs and more power than ever when it comes to sports bikes, the Paris-Dakar nostalgia-inspired adventure bikes, and the daring new move by Harley Davidson that breaks the ADV world with a brand new, aggressive machine. It might be the best year to buy a new bike. Whether you are looking for style, comfort, pure horsepower or off-road capability, there is something out there for every taste, and if you're ready to go green, a range of electric bikes are also on offer. Whatever new motorcycle you choose, Monomoto wishes you many happy miles.